This is my Quaker parrot, Kipper. He is 10 years old. He will be 11 years old on June the 10th. He does not talk on camera, but he's a pretty bird. Step up. Say, hello. Say, I'm Kipper. Say, I look funny because I'm losing feathers right now. Say, I'm a good boy when I want to be. Where's the pretty bird? Where's my pretty bird? Kipper. Where's Kipper? Look, where's the pretty bird? Where's my pretty bird? Where's the pretty bird? Like I said, he's not going to talk. He's Mama's pretty bird. Look, Kipper. Look, here you are, pretty bird. He only talks in his cage. But he will step up. Good boy. Say, is it good? Is it good? Are you not going to talk? Are you just going to show him how pretty you are? Say, I'll do another video later. Bye.